Hello, welcome to Camper City. We are going to be showing you our 2019 Sandpiper Forest River 345RLOK. This unit is a wonderful unit. It is 35 foot 3 inches with a total weight of 10,824 pounds. As we step back and take a look at this unit, you can see that we do have an oversized large fiberglass front painted cap with LED light features on the front end of this unit. Gel coat fiberglass all the way around the unit. High quality build. This unit does have a 6-point auto leveling system with an outdoor kitchen as we make our way down the camper, with slide toppers also. Here's our outdoor kitchen area. This unit does feature dual aluminum rims, residential style steps coming into the unit, outdoor marine grade speakers, LED power awning, and we'll go ahead and make our way into the unit. As we step into the unit, this unit does have the push button and command center, so you're going to be able to control your slides, awnings, lighting, leveling jack system, and even be able to program this into your phone and do it with a smartphone device, Android or iPhone. We do have hard surface countertops, residential fauceting. We have the Furrion oven, 3-burner stovetop, residential style microwave, pantry space below, above, and all the way around. It does have a 4-person dinette, large windows, our entertainment area with a LED smart TV with also a gray stone fireplace, full trifold sofa, the large back window, theater seating that does recline, heat, and massage. LG 3-door stainless steel refrigerator. It's a beautiful unit. As we make our way up the stairs, we'll come into the bathroom area. This does have a porcelain toilet, nice tall stand-up shower, single vanity. There's your bathroom. In the master bedroom, we do have a king-size bed, power outlets on each side, nice little cubby hole to store all your goodies, his and her closets with also washer dryer prep, a room for your smart LED TV, and also dresser. Thanks for watching our video here at Camper City in Beaufort, Georgia, on our 2019 Sandpiper 345RLOK.